Hey guys, it's me Sharon. So today I'm here with another new video. So today I'll be doing a demonstration. So last demonstration was doing the Lewis law, like the candle and just burns out and creates a vacuum, so the candle stops like igniting. So now it's a new demonstration, which is part number 2. So I'll be doing this reaction. So sodium hydroxide solution with aluminium causes sodium aluminate to form, evolve, and hydrogen gas comes out as a byproduct. So beware guys, caustic soda burns sodium hydroxide when mixed with water can cause burns or blisters. So please don't try it at home. Even though I'm doing it, we'll just take a risk, so why not? Plus anyways, so look at the reaction guys. 2 molecules of aluminium first. 2 atoms of aluminum plus 2 NaOH plus 2 H2O. Yes, so how the reaction takes place is that since sodium is the higher reactive element over here, it reacts with the metal rather than the gases over here, which is hydrogen and oxygen. So it rather mixes with here. So this is the first step, and it goes to oxygen next. Then it will go to oxygen. Because hydrogen is like the most, it can just float because it's like the lightest gas in the universe. So, and then it forms 2 because there's 2 molecules of everything here. So that's how it works. So that's how the reaction works. And the byproduct H2O because there's a H over here and another over here. So let me just remove this. And the product by which we get is known as sodium aluminate. So guys, I'll be doing the experiment right now. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'll just pause the video for right now. So guys, this is my demonstration table. So I'll be doing the demonstration over here. So let's look at the apparatus required. So first you need a glass with like a quarter of water, or you can just use 100 ml of water. So then put the water, okay, I'll just put the plate so I don't want to cause any burns here. So next we need an aluminum foil. You can just use like a piece of aluminum or the plate, like aluminum plate. Then you need a spoon to stir, and our main product is sodium hydroxide. Actually make this at home by doing electrolysis. Just use just by using sodium chloride with the water and just separate them during electrolysis. So guys, so first take a cup of water. Guys, be careful, this is the most important part. When you put sodium in the water, do not touch the solution because it might cause burns or blisters. That's what I told you about. And after you take the sodium hydroxide or caustic soda or brine, make sure that you close it back. So we have already learned that sodium hydroxide is a deliquescent substance, so it just absorbs moisture and just leaves out liquid substance. So we gotta be careful. So we gotta open, and guys, do not smell the wafer, it's just very, very strong. Trust me, I have tried it once, and just use like a desirable amount of sodium hydroxide, not too much. You should be fine. Put it inside the water. And I have already, you guys have already done your first practical, using sodium hydroxide and mixing in water to see if like exothermic or endothermic. I can actually feel. So we gotta let it dissolve. You just gotta mix it. And plus this is not like metal, so if it's metal, the metal particles or ions will go mix over there, which will cause the reaction to, not so concentrated. So this is not concentrated sodium hydroxide, this is also not diluted. So just make it. It's actually, I wouldn't say it's like hot, medium hot. Do not touch the water guys, do not. Even though I'm not wearing any gloves, it's fine because I won't be into contact with the water. So probably smoke will erupt. Maybe, I'm not sure, but hydrogen gas will probably evolve. So let me turn off the AC guys because I don't know, it might burst. So back. Dissolve. Just still some pieces. Put this away. So put it over here down like this. So you gotta put like a huge bowl. So I'll just try to make it go in. You can see like the gas forming, guys. Yes, see guys? Yeah, there's like some bubbles forming. But I can see it though. But I don't know how to describe it to you guys. I gotta make this aluminum like go densely here. Yep, hydrogen gas is evolving. Now how can I show this to you guys? I can just see like popping bubbles. So let me bring like the camera closer so you guys can see a little bit of it. Do you see the bubbles? Yes guys, so that's hydrogen gas. So the bubbles are hydrogen gas. So if you want a closer look, see the bubbles? So the solution has now changed into sodium aluminate. See the hydrogen gas? That is hydrogen gas, guys. And that's how it's done. I'll just mix it. So I have seen some experiments where people like match on it. So I'll try that, guys. Alright guys, I'll just call my mother to be my demonstrator. So guys, so my mother actually said no to putting flames over it, so I'll just put it over here. So it won't cause anything, but the bubbles are just... So guys, so the sodium over here, the sodium hydroxide, it just causes bubbles to come outside. There's actually hydrogen gas over here. So I have also like put a flame and the smoke is just like full in the air and I can just smell the smoke. But you can see like the solution has turned transparent into translucent, then it'll turn into opaque. Oh no, I just touched the solution. We gotta be careful over here. I think this is the only reason why I make sodium hydroxide. This is the only reason why I've been busy all these days, and okay, so I can show you guys my sodium hydroxide is deliquescent. So I'll take a small piece. That should be fine. Here guys, I'll show you why sodium hydroxide is deliquescent. So just have it just in the air, then you can just see like melting. And maybe I can zoom it. Sodium hydroxide is not like... So guys, you just see the smoke. See? There's like smoke coming out of it. And that's hydrogen gas, and it's not smoke, guys. Please don't worry. And even when I have sodium hydroxide in my hand, it's not burning or something. It's just exothermic reaction. I just feel the pain. I won't say pain, but slight heating, guys. Slight heating. I think I just put it back in the water. I don't want it to go waste. So I'll go back here. The smoke is, oh my god, the smoke is hydrogen gas. Just stir it a bit. When I put this aluminum over here, like it just sinks to the bottom, it releases hydrogen gas. Also guys, I forgot to tell you that hydrogen gas is actually very flammable. It's flammable than oxygen. So oxygen is inflammable. So yeah. You can see that the aluminum is kind of white in color. So it's actually very hot right now. So guys, so I don't want any chemical burns on my body. So yes guys, so that's the video. Bye guys, I'll see you tomorrow because tomorrow school is starting EP and I might do my practicals. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.